Welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Wishing you a happy and blessed new year ahead. I will be sharing my Chebe infused herbal oil recipe. This oil is amazing for your hair and scalp, so let's jump right in. To make this oil, I will be infusing the Chebe powder and some other powders as well using the double boiler method. If this is your first time stopping by or watching any of my videos, you are welcome. My name is Esther, and on this channel I make DIY hair and skincare videos. I will also have everything I used in today's video listed in the description box. When adding your oils to infuse the powders, make sure you add enough to completely cover the powders that you're using, so that way it can properly infuse. Please feel free to make any substitutions, changes. You don't have to use the exact oils or herbs that I'm using. Just do what works best for your hair and situation. For me personally, I suffer from scalp psoriasis, so my scalp tends to be very sensitive and itchy sometimes. So I'm always looking for new ways and remedies to condition and improve my scalp. So these oils I've found help me greatly. If you are enjoying this video so far and you haven't yet subscribed, please go on and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. Thanks so much. My double boiler system was set up kind of funny because I wasn't sure if my container was heat proof or heat safe. So I put some water in the pot and also in the glass bowl, and then I turned on my gas stove on very low heat so that it could infuse. This took about 4.5 hours on extremely low heat till everything was properly infused. So this was the next day. I left it to infuse overnight just to get some more of the nutrients in the oil. The longer you infuse, the more nutrients you'll get in your oils. But if you look, you see the powders have settled to the bottom. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to strain the mixture and add the rest of my ingredients. Take your time to strain the mixture because Chebe can be difficult to strain. That's why I'm using the coffee filter. It has very tiny particles and you don't want that in your oil because that will get left in your hair. So just take your time. The filter method takes a long time to strain, but it's worth it and your oil comes out very clean. if you have any questions about this recipe or any of the items I used, please reach out to me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions if I have the answer to them. But I love to hear from you guys. And also don't forget to comment, like, and share this video because that helps me out so much. I added the dried lavender. It's completely optional. I love the smell of lavender and it made the oil smell so good, but you can leave this out. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, comment, like, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye. What?